Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those that have been asking me a lot about when's the new dev channel build for Windows 11, well, we know it's not going to happen this week. So 2 weeks in a row that they can't send us any dev channel builds. They're saying that they have some bugs and some issues with the build and that they are not satisfied with it. So not sending the build out once again this week. So 2 weeks in a row doesn't happen very often. Usually after 1 week they're pretty ready to go with a new one, but now 2 weeks in a row. So maybe it has, who knows, it could be signs of some new features and interesting stuff that they are pushing that are not quite yet complete or working like they want. So no build this week for the dev channel insiders, and that is going to be another quiet week for insiders, of course. It's good news, though, because that might also mean that next week we might get a bunch of new features because it's been a little while now. Apart from that, as we go into 2022, a lot of people have been asking me questions about the builds and the different rings. And one of the things we're seeing with the rings is that Dev Channel is going to become a lot more experimental. They are going to take that dev channel ring and really have some stuff pushed there that you don't even know if it's going to be available at some point. If I had a comment about the channels, the dev channels, not the insider channels, I think they should be tied to different specific versions. I think like it was before, Windows 10 had specific versions for each build, so for each channel. So the beta channel had a build for the next version of Windows. The dev channel had for the it was like testing stuff for even further ahead. Now we're not tied to anything, and it's kind of weird. Also, a lot of people have been asking me, did Windows 10 no testing of Windows 10? Well, there's a release preview place for Windows 10, which is kind of weird. I mean, if you have to push updates once a year to Windows 10, they should have been tested more. But the rings have become kind of a weird place right now. And it's almost as if they're not really focused on how to use the rings properly to really test everything. So anyways, no dev channel build this week. And of course, that means we're continuing to use the build that we have right now on our PCs. And that build, of course, is the build 22543 that was released 2 weeks ago for insiders on the dev channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.